I decided to uh, adopt the persona, the ego that I'm a writer now. And I decided to study Latin and also the hymnal every day to improve, to work on my writing. And today, as I was thinking that I'm a writer, and so I do writing by my um, calling, I went to Chicken House and I found myself thinking about the chicken farm work as I am writing something. So the thinking that goes before actually putting a thought into writing was what you do with a chicken house. You think about the welfare of the chickens and you think about how to go about it. You'd plan, you'd think about it, you'd concretize it, and then you would actually put it into an action plan. And so it's like putting down thoughts into words. You plan things out, and then you choose specific words and you put it down on paper. And those two sort of connected together. And I thought that was interesting.